Why is it? Baby kiss the boy.
What are you? Hey, 1 plate, 2 plates, 3 plates, 4 plates. It's left one, you take away food left one. You take it from the left corner. Right under. How put pan that? How I thought I put how I thought I put pan? Jesus Christ. Ever blessed family. My ever blessed people. I am back. Playing with the sun one more time for you. See, this is the signature. Ever blessed family. I am back at that farm where we do YouTube videos for you guys. We're vlogging. And today, food ready. I need to share out. I'm going to see the amount. I may get people that get food out. Pudding pan. Pot. Pudding pan again. I don't know what my name is. I don't know pudding pan. Somebody got it pot cover. No pot cover? Somebody don't know the back of
No. How you want to put that on YouTube?
Oh, me no know. Oh. Oh. Brown stew. Chicken. You have pepper?
Bad.
You have pepper?
Bad.
Uh,
You know.
hey.
You see your boy?
Hey.
You see your boy?
Hey.
Come here, man.
This looks nice.
Thumping on your face, man.
Why does it smell good enough?
Ah, like food in your share? You can't keep it, don't mind if I want my pot.
Mm-mm.
I probably around up in there like that one.
Hey.
I'm
Yes. Right, let's see.
Come again. What is up, boys? It's my good friend.
Hey. Food look rich. How we thought I put that? Calvin? Calvin na tayo tapon pa.
How you do what's happening, boss?
Why not you not get down?
Unless one
So why over there?
so that part to pass by. Pass by na
I eat that way now.
What do you need?
2, 4, 6. 7 food this year,
That's why I want to live in the iPad.
Okay. So you have my one iPad.
Thank you, sir. Agree with
Give Calvin give.
The same way you want in the pudding pan.
Then when I get to that, you put it down to get more. Oh, yeah, man.
What does something mean? This is an ask at all you.
No problem, man.
Very fast, then.
Over there,
You want more gravy in here?
No, man, they're good.
See all you're not forgetting, no.
Very fast, very fast. I'm not having without it. Yeah, wait a minute.
Take up what I food.
One spoon in it.
Over here, so. So what am I do over there, so? Brother, you know, must get them if you sit down and not come in and say work, you say, you know?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
No girl, no, you say, no, brother?
No, sir.
Oh, so you are move, so.
You know what I mean?
Got more gravy, Panny?
I do know, you know.
Alright.
Nice. So my mind tell me say my one left under the pot.
See for you there?
You want it on iPad?
Yeah, I cover me eat pan. I put in pan a few. You grown and I put in pan catch you.
How this thing are you do so? Brethren, then give me video to put in pan.
You grown and I put in pan catch you.
I'm a video me say why you don't put in pan. That's how I go. The cutlass, they want to tell people know say the cutlass are bad cutlass. I don't know if people don't hear anyway.
I feel like it's good, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, betul tu nak. Amerika tu tak pun pan.
I will forget the most.
I will get him with of course.
Yeah.
Mr. Out of the restaurant there and they fix me up. So me kinda
Oh.
yeah. Then they may not cover it up, sir.
No, but oh, I'm taking cover right. Like that. Apa? Quite a bit, but
But a long time.
no, it's my what's here?
I ready to eat it.
No, but it's not.
Yeah, I want that right. I mentioned that already. Pun pa mi dito pa. So I'm gonna lock up my food in my truck and later on when the belly full I go down what me have here I consume it. So you'll lock up right in there. So. Everybody is having their meal. Calvin and dive down in half your food, you know. Not playing.
More food.
You want more food? You know, I eat my one, you know. Plate full, brother. Shaja, you. See that? So you know what got me next time. Tomorrow you watch yourself, you know. Yeah, B. The family. So the pepper has been planted. It's one of the things I came to see. See how the plant the pepper on this here. My ever blessed people. So look it right here. And the chip water and the water will chip right here. Ever blessed people. What a beautiful day it is. This morning, this day. Ever blessed people. So, as I said, ever blessed people. If you are my returning subscriber, I thank you. And if you're just coming across this video, welcome. Welcome to Everblessed family, where I patrol this spot of ground for you, the farm. Everblessed people, please consider like, share and subscribe to my videos. This is nice. I can't wait to see the greenery of these shortly. And update on the pepper that is in reaping progress. This is it, guys. And we still have a lot of pepper right here. Still have a lot of pepper. Look at it. Lot of pepper. Lot of pepper to be harvested. Just beautiful, beautiful pepper field. See, beautiful, nice. And still see a lot of pepper in this area. Lots of pepper, guys. My ever best people. Look at pepper. Look at pepper, my family. Look at it. It's a lot of pepper on this field. See? Lots of pepper. Ever blessed people. Lots of pepper. Lots of pepper here to be picked. They are ready to be harvested. Nice. Hey brother, bless up. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Can you give a talk a little bit? Give my family, and the demonstration continues. As you could remember, as I said, look at going up all the way. Plastic, paper, all this big. This one is blooming right here. Mark the next 2 weeks from now. Can't believe this is the same pepper. That's the one, that's the or the breeze is blowing. This one is standing tall. And the coconuts. Oh gosh, I forget the coconut. And the coconuts are huge. Very big coconut on the trees. Have to do what I got to do. Ever bless people. Like, share and subscribe to Ever Blessed Family TV as we demonstrate farming for you guys. Just hoping that you're enjoying the footages that I provide for you guys. Oh, peas brown. Peas brown. See? Beautiful farming here. And then don't conceal, man. Who ready for sleep? Somebody wash pot?
Yeah, man, doing the grass, they sleep already.
I thought you can't turn up and sleep. Man sit down like back you can't sleep.
Man, I'm like, so
You want to see position, man, you know? Yo, why the man a skill? Hey.
Yeah, but root.
Yeah, I want
Yeah, man, me not
to see
forget
you do the pepper. So them hole not too shallow.
Hmm? The whole.
Hmm. What's you say that would that deep or them that? Okay, what did they want to tall do? I best when sa tao? I best when sa tao?
No sé, ahí voy a tener otro.
Oh. Kaya pa pas?
You know, it's a very long time though. But it took me have an idea.
Okay.
For farming though.
Bro, I just with the impression that them worse than me. But then
Then what
the young kids, yeah. But water catch them up a different thing.
Yeah, then gone the road.
Oh, for that very reason I want to plant them so fast.
Mm-hmm.
So by the time the man drop you out, you just the back of him.
Look wet, if you land wet, you know, fast.
Yes. Hey, good time. You see the new hero we farming take up so what going on now? Somebody make a mistake with the bag here.
Like how?
Because it
No,
just,
they plant 1 feet apart.
No.
The woman say plant like this right here.
No, oh, in kind of vice versa because two years of them appear silver.
No man, I turn this one wrong side.
Then that bit of say. Oh no, look for that style under this. Look at that one. The vice versa style.
This is my boss.
I put one style. I don't think we can catch up a man while I drop them. Hey, ever blessed people, you see what we got to do. The sun is burning hot and we are in the line. I want to catch up this guy dropping. I want to catch this guy. You're dropping so fast, bro. Just can't catch up with him.
See one choice.
How punch you wall it? Okay.
My boss is the big.
Okay.
Boss say same size as more.
Okay. You want to turn on like this? Then when I go, yeah man, right away. You don't ball on the plastic there. Water ball on the plastic. Pull that bro. So it could be two in one way?
Different size. They're big enough to do it.
Okay. This is fast. Planting. Hey. If you want to want this one, then the nice of it. Don't. Yeah, nice when you're not holding, no?
No, not for that alone. He plant itself.
Not about the plant, not about the plant. You want that? Hey. You're dropping it so fast, bro. Eh? You want to drive out of my truck?
If you have money in yourself.
Eh?
If you have money in yourself, right?
That's 500,000 feet I get to work weekend. I have something to do with it. Now 500,000
So I can't buy you no more.
No, you can't get no. I have some body pops and them. Can I say, I have let my family buy you.
Eh?
I have let my family. I'm going to use the van. You don't know me for that. You're not going to be second tomorrow. I think you could now, man.
No, get it.
Bro,
If we don't know, it's the thing that we do tomorrow.
that wouldn't be so nice if you're not going. You need to go. What are you done? Weird. You jump out this fast.
You want to see one here for this one? No?
Yeah, because I was shocked when I come and see it finish drop out. He might come, see man I come with two there. Oh, he might come with two, Okay. Ever blessed people. Look at the beautiful sunshine that we have here in Quebec. Family, if you are my previous subscribers, you would remember when we were cleaning up this land just the other day. We were weed whippering, weed whacker. You see? Alright, that is it. And then now see, today we are lining out with peppers. One drop, bro. Two drop. New Japan man. Sailing fast like the next man. New Japan man. Yeah. Up the line we are going now. How long since I do this?
We plant seed.
Where you do?
Tobacco.
Oh, tobacco. What part tobacco plant?
Line over.
You know something never know tobacco still a plant?
I mean, man ain't get tobacco for board.
Yo, me no know.
Oh.
Me think tobacco done with a Colbeck.
No, Kobe.
Away.
Breezeway.
Oh. You're dropping on. You are my subscriber, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Appreciate you, bro. Let me punch you here. Subscriber. We're doing it, you know? And then tomorrow, you can look out for yourself tomorrow. I drop pepper sucker. Then look up and make everybody see how I drop pepper sucker. Man. Oh, you mean? What's your name? What you do? You entertainer? Brother P, you go up now. We in a dull moment. You have to go bust through my area and drop the pepper sucker. You know? That's how we do it, you know. How one and wash the other. Yeah, man. Promote yourself, man. Give yourself a shout out, bro. Because you're off guard. But anyway, me are there with you the whole time, so you just bust two tune. That look close, bro. Yes. Yeah, man. Me not in no hurry, man. Me know we have born another 20 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Step over same time, brother. Step over same time. Pepper plant. Hey, we're not playing. Oh. Hey, I keep up with the pace. So you're entertainer to me, General?
No, man.
Okay, you're just
Plant.
So what you plan? Just peppers?
Everything.
Like what's up? What is the plan?
Sweet pepper.
Which other farm you have? We can make a video on your farm.
My farm.
Mm.
Anytime right.
Yeah?
Anytime right.
When is gonna be right?
I may do man. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's when you plant what?
Anytime I plant. Pepper.
No pepper. We have pepper years already.
I want a different.
Something else, yes.
Alright. Anytime I plant the okra.
Yes. Involved in your okra planting. So every man I get them for your sharing and stuff.
Alright.
So everybody have a show on camera tomorrow right now. Watch yourself tomorrow and fast and go. But guess what happened now? Somebody fast and the brother that they drop in the pepper. He wasn't that red. The man don't say I hat, drop it faster than him.
Okay.
Yeah, this nice with the water, don't? Ah, yeah. You're right, that's what he does. He put them in the hole and he just put it down. Two different plants, you see? Everybody put them one thing down.
So who plant the farm?
No, you're first. Me have to sink them. So me have to go watch somebody else and see. I soon tell you no what go on, man. I soon tell you no what. One water there so I spray. One hose there so up on me there. See, wait me up a look away, man. Alright, never watch Calvin and I saw what's Calvin. Calvin, so what are Calvin? Okay. I feel time on Calvin, but I see how fast you come. You reach some Calvin, you reach. See when this on the wood, see this at the one, the one you come by. Oh. Okay. What was it? Oh yeah, I want to see. Okay. This is that one. Some of them now wet, you know. But by
pepper is soaking.
Yes.
Go right, go right.
Yeah. I give a time of plant pepper in the Calvin. So it better say what you know who going fastest.
Yeah, determine that.
Oh, I'm here determined that I'm here watching now. Yo, the one they come like it run too fast. Yeah? Go on, the one who was a spray and some man. I'm with it. I want to see the stuff. You come on, if I go through, and you know, so I go all the way up, I don't.
Yeah.
But one thing, Calvin, the type of planting are fast, like a Usain Bolt, don't?
Yeah.
She will. Someone have a spread the rest of plastic this year?
No, you know about it.
This one piece down, so from what's down.
I just want all that.
One bed?
Yeah, just one left. Just the other one. Oh.
This is quick, bro. This is quick, Calvin. This type of farming is impressive, don't?
Yeah.
First, me see something like this. Ever blessed people, have you ever seen anything like this? You see how quick they plant the peppers? We just came here and look at 1, 2, 3, 4 row already. Calvin used 1 hand. The next man used 2 hands. So you see everybody to them one thing, huh? So Calvin, are you enjoying yourself on my videos, sir?
Yes, sir.
Cheese and this, yeah, yo. Me no want in no video, brother. Me no want in no video, brother.
Go down there.
Eh?
Bring the boy time PD
And you watch yourself on, when you watch on TV or on phone?
on TV.
Oh, you mean a TV if you watch yourself on? Yeah. So how much person you tell if you subscribe to Everblessed family now?
Well, me never inform
Yes. That you feel, brother. You need to say, hey. Now what channel I promote in Everblessed family? Like, share and subscribe. That's what you must tell the persons who are close to you, you know? Like all the brother they know. And you meet up with him, you just introduce him to it. I encourage him to like, share and subscribe. But that's the growth, you know, bro. You know? That's the growth. And we also would like to see other persons take on the farming and I do it like how my brother do it, you know?
Yeah. This boy.
Start over here, so you want to start over the top. This is quick. Open 1, 2, 3, 4 already. I should have checked the time.
Yeah.
I should have checked the time. Yeah?
Bye.
This time never have the whole of the plastic.
Yeah,
You know? Plastic have the whole of it.
Yeah, but you don't find don't cover, you know.
Eh?
That don't cover.
So what do this time? On lay plastic in a style. Me notice black, white, black, silver.
Yeah. I see plastic, but we don't
You know.
Alka-style, Tony Black cover. How do it so?
Because it had a field rounds and pure silver.
Yeah.
Because me not think plastic have a left and a right.
Yeah.
Me not think plastic have a left and a right.
But that the part I want plastic, you know.
Me know.
Yeah, but one part black and one part silver, so we just say alright.
Style up the one.
We
Yeah.
have style up the one, you know. We
Sure.
have black and white.
Yeah, silver. But you know, you have to come in and cover it some more.
Yeah, you can.
Cover it.
But me see for my man around there, so
Brother, not follow them. Cover it whole light.
we have to cover it.
Cover it whole light, not follow nobody. You carry, you know? You see it?
Yeah.
No mice.
We are going to use.
Yeah, no mice not going in between there.
But they walk in and go there, you know.
Hmm?
They walk up and up.
Where's the corner?
The mice them. The company and go through it.
Another way, no man, the moist. So we keep the plastic keep the soil cool.
Yeah.
So we call that moist. See how quick I got to. Quick man this you know. 2 1 in use, you know. Boom, right away and done. Yeah? Yeah? Hey Virgin, make sure it's a tune ready when me come cross, you know. For me know why you call up me show, you know. Yeah?
Oh yeah, about blue pack.
Hey, he pass on you. So sit down and talk one. Hey, come in. You still want to Calvin. You still want to say that nasty man Calvin.
I'm not run a race.
And a race man, but he use 2 hands and you use 1. That's 2 different planting.
Yeah.
But him quick. Him quick.
Yeah, there's a push one.
You ready to go home, right?
Ready to go.
You ready to go home? Well, I remember me need 4 soccer, you know.
Size of the white boy, must go home.
Yeah, man, it is sent there, color, you know.
Bro, this type of action is quick. If this is the type of way farming I go do, me would get involved. Because this is quick.
We just have the right set of workers.
And the right set of workers and have the right equipment to do the thing.
Yeah.
Because I just last week, then weed whop around there. And then see the pepper going at them today. You know? Quick and fast. And what I like about this, me like the fact that the water is running.
Sure.
Yeah, water. This was there. This was here. It's too fast.
Yeah.
So we just drop out all of it, and then if anything, everybody start to plant, huh? Common sense, huh?
Yeah.
My youth have called on me show no man, but it's tuna youth.
Yeah. You know, this is 3 months of fight, how we fight. Just figure protect our life. Them a own get a youth head every day and night. Pan the back of me say never nice. On that time when me coulda lose my life. Stay focused, cause me know I got a guide. Right now, see a time for me rise and go shine very bright like the sun in the sky. So me ask them why them want to cry. Why them want to die? Why them want to mother fear cry now memory every day and night. So me have to ask why them want to cry. Why them want to die? Why them want to mother fear cry now memory every day and night. Yo, one grandma go from start. Oh, them make cheat hard. When the little get to you, you must sell too close now me dogs. Them take for the cat together. You know what he thought when he start running, kill him son. Say him mash up it. I flew the bomb about me.
Nobody up. But yeah, but the children at the same time. Yeah, man. Yeah. But yeah, promote yourself with the name, bro. One more John. You see?
Motion, Kude Black.
Oh yeah?
Who's that?
Yes.
You go up on the save now, my father.
Oh, you mean?
No, you don't.
Pepper seed, you have more suckers? You got to get more? Oh, you mean? Them I drop them like... You have, hold on, you dropping a plant same time, bro? Yeah. Yeah, the quickest? Hey, you're not playing. Yeah, man, I'm touching on some yellow carpet. Man, I see your killer management. Oh. You tell me say you give me tune? No man. Don't joke with me, Calvin. Don't joke with me. Me not run from promotion. Me not selfish.
Yeah,
Eh? Calvin don't run a joke with me. What's the tune, Calvin?
yeah. Oh, what do you tell us about your torch on that?
You don't not joke, brother. What's the tune, brother?
Alright, but look at them say. In a Jamaica. The tickle Latin, this on them called Jamaica. Simply call jam down in a Jamaica. Not tell them too much blood run in a Jamaica. Tell them I breed too young in a Jamaica.
Hey.
You them don't have enough fun in a Jamaica.
Hey.
They need a referendum. Have a problem down here with the life who overcome. Don't have a problem with the weed where them a bun. Still no have a problem to keep the people around.
Hey.
The problem is the youth them won't put on the jam. Got me
Oh, yo.
Jamaica.
Dash you. Hey. But you are bad man and you didn't tell me say you are bad man.
Yeah.
Me disappointed in you, me G.
Don't like to tell us.
No, you never tell me that, me G. You not tell me that, me G.
Tell us, we don't tell us, general.
No. You have a tune too? You tell me for you? Me overlooking, bro. Bro, I'm sorry. My subscriber. I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah.
Boss, your tune. You have to go. Highlight your name, man. Tell me what
I'm in here Wappy man.
Wappy?
Wappy one.
Wappy one.
Yeah,
Hey.
any producer, any artist in Jamaica that shot that tune.
Hey.
Just link with Wappy.
How you mean?
That tune can't done.
I didn't know. I didn't know. Me a hide you, me G. Me a hide you.
No, no, run, brother. No.
Tomorrow.
Some of them have to look there.
Because look how the one that run two sides.
Yeah. Wait, that.
The one that we did right this up.
Yeah.
Shouldn't know that's a two sided run now. See left and right. I say if you run.
Yeah, man.
Anything else? Okay. Hey, brother.
Nah, run, brother.
This. Let me see. How this? That's not a G, man. Bust your tune with G. Bust your tune. Work and ride and whistle, them call it, bro. That means you have the two jobs in a one. You promote yourself and you plant pepper. That's how we do it. We don't drop no catch. See there. Do your tune, man. Do your tune. Oh. Yeah. Oh, the pepper sucker done now?
That's what we actually done.
Yeah, that was quick.
So far,
Yeah, that was quick.
Big up one ever best family and you know, say one much than Niagara, you know. You say, out of tune, my father.
Yes, man, boss a tune, man.
In a this street, out of fight to me fight. Just figure protect me life. Them a hunt get a youth head every day and night. Funny back of him say never dies. Mount that time when me could have lived my life. Stay focused, come and know I got a guide. Right now, see a time for we rise. I go shine very bright like sun in the sky. So me ask them why they want to see we cry. Why they want to see we die. Why they want to see we mother fear cry in our memory. Every day and night. So me have to ask why they want to see we cry. Why they want to see we die. Why they want to see we mother fear cry in our memory. Every day and night. Yo, look one grandma, little fruit stall. Look how them meal treat her. Look when a little get a youth myself too close. Now me dog see it there. Them take with the cat, yo elder. In a whole it out when he start when him kill his son. Say he mash up his grass. Little more we get one car. Say he want pass off and a frustration to the heart. Say why them want see we cry? Why them want see we die? Why them want see we mother fear cry in our memory? Every day and night, yo, ever blessed family. Big up, you know.
Oh, you
Say
mean?
one more than I represent. Set aside.
Oh, you mean? Big up me G. Big up me G. Ever blessed people. So you see, we have the talent, you know. Anywhere you turn in a jam rock, yeah, we have the talent. So guess what, you know, when the man plant pepper, I bust a tune. So, ever blessed people. We are talented, eh? We are talented. Calvin, me know say you're a big artist in a G.
We don't tell a long time, so we have tune.
This everybody hear it tune, brother. You see it. So I just saw you going, man.
Yeah.
So you have another tune you want pop out by Ever Blessed family.
We have tune car, more row in a yes, brother.
Brother P, as long as you have a clean tune them, bust your tune them, brother. Bust yourself.
Alright, me have come with
Clean tune, brother.
clean tune.
Oh you mean?
I want to tell you, now you talk to me for the web.
Me over here. My ever blessed people, it has been a journey, and so far you guys have journeyed with me. My ever blessed people, I appreciate you guys so much for sharing my videos with your family and your friends. And at this point, if you watched this video from the start, Ever Blessed people, thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your continued support, Ever Blessed family. And as the sun goes down, I said so long. Bye bye, my Ever Blessed people. See you in the next video.